Hello, good night. My name is Luis Trujillo. Today I will speak about the washing machine. The washing machine. I am presenting the innovative, wonderful washing machine. It's a, it is a incredible machine. If you want wash your clothes in this left very clean, you will must acquire this product. First, what allowed me congratulation you by your excellent option of boy. Currently, this is the best washing machine that has existed in the world. I had worked several years in the field of household appliances, and the customers they recommended me this washing machine because it had had this product in your life by several years and then choose in this product because it's good. The washing machine that you want buy have the best washed, try with care your colors and protect the colors. Some they do not mix. On the wall, I think it is a good idea to buy this washing machine. You might take advantage more your time and could make other things, for example, seeing movies, studying, making exercise, visiting places. They are more safe to enjoy the life than be washing clothes. You will not let down of make this purchase. I suggest you that you must make this purchase. It is win-win scenario. If you had bought other washing machine, you will not have enough of this beauty washing machine. Could you imagine a ride of the world in calm you down over the bed while the washing and when you wake up all your clothes dirty be ready to dry? And I have too much customer all they have left the glove with the products. Thank you for your order. You just made our business grow, and for that we are grateful.